To transfer money using Revolut, follow these best practices for a seamless and secure experience. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed on your device. This will guarantee you have access to the most up-to-date features and security patches. Next, verify your account by completing the Know Your Customer process, which includes providing identification and proof of address. This step is crucial for security and compliance purposes, and it will also unlock the full potential of your Revolut account. When initiating a transfer, select the recipient's currency and enter the correct amount. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates, but it is essential to review the rates and any applicable fees before confirming the transaction. To add a recipient, navigate to the Payments tab and select Send. You can then choose to add a new recipient or select an existing one. Make sure to double-check the recipient's details, including their name, account number, and routing number, to avoid any errors. Revolut also offers the option to send money to a mobile number or email address. This feature allows the recipient to claim the funds without needing to have a Revolut account. However, it is vital to ensure the recipient's contact information is accurate to prevent any issues. In terms of security, Revolut employs state-of-the-art encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your transactions. Additionally, you can freeze your card and disable contactless payments in the app if you suspect any suspicious activity. To track your transfer, navigate to the Payments tab, where you can view the status of your transaction in real time. You will also receive notifications when the transfer is processed and when it is received by the recipient. Finally, take advantage of Revolut's analytics and budgeting tools to monitor your spending and stay on top of your finances. By following these best practices, you can ensure a secure and efficient money transfer experience with Revolut.